Hi, Gloria Carell. Today we're at 8103 Lemonwood Drive North. It's in Colony Cove, of course, in Ellenton, Florida. This is our little entryway, alcove area. Outside of this area is a screened-in lanai, and then we walk into our kitchen, which has been completely renovated. We have an induction stove top. As you can see, all new appliances, plenty of cabinet space, new countertops. We have plenty of storage. As you can see, we have pull-outs here, so nothing gets lost in the back. We have an island here, which is on wheels, so you can always move that closer to your sink area when we're preparing a large meal. And then we have our little breakfast nook area. As you can see, it's a very beautiful home. All the floors have been redone. This is our guest bath. This is a split floor plan, so the two guest rooms are on the opposite side of the master. This home has cathedral ceilings and all new windows. This, of course, is set up like a study. This is one of our guest rooms. And this is the second guest room. As you can see, they're both very nice size. This home comes unfurnished, with the exception of the televisions that are mounted on the wall. They will stay in the home. With the open floor plan, you can see that you can look right into your living room from the kitchen. And then we have our closed-in lanai. There are two storage sheds with this home, so you have plenty of storage space. And as I said, on the opposite side of the living room, we have our master bedroom, which is also a very nice sized room. And of course, our master bath. This home is priced to sell, so call me 570-854-6424.